Good morning, folks. Now this is something completely different for me. You know I don't do unboxings. As such, I just received this little 1/18 scale two-wheel drive buggy for my birthday. It's from, who's the company? Hongdi toys. Know absolutely nothing about it. This is the, let's see, it's the green one, and it comes in a pale blue, a dark blue, and a sort of cyan. Not a great deal of information on it, so let's have a little look and see just what this little car is like. Possibly toy grade, I know nothing whatsoever about it. So let me put the camera down and hopefully we can get this semi-lined up. See what's in the box. Right. Comes with very basic instructions. It runs, oh, it's a single cell. Yep. Comes with a little screwdriver. Let's cut the tape on this. Non-adjustable steering by the looks of it. Batteries for the controller. And 2 rechargeable single cell lithium ions. A tiny controller. Non-proportional steering. By the feel of things, non-proportional throttle. Right, how does this open? Okay, now, don't know if I can do this one-handed, but I will give it a try. I hate these things. Right, takes this thing, tiny little single cell battery. The other version runs on 4 AA's, so it's possible that the electronics that are in this very bumpy steering. It's almost like Very similar to the Hornet's rear end. It's a fixed axle, it's not a rotatable one. Looks like it's possibly a 270 motor that's on that. I need to strip the gearbox open and see. Oh, we know it's toy grade. Spring shocks. There's going to be a lot of play on that steering. Might be able to tighten that up actually. Now, how would you take this apart? Seeing if there's a way that you can get into this. 2, 4. I think probably one there, plus one there, one there, one there. But I don't think that would eat. That would just take the cowling off. It wouldn't let you into the inside. I then need to strip another 2, 4. A lot of screws. I wonder if we can maybe get a micro servo into that. Let's see if there's any power in the batteries anyway. Ugh. Bloody screws. Okay, so that and that. See if there's any power in the battery. Don't like these type of plugs at all. That way, I think. Yep. As I thought, it's all or nothing. One blip steering either way. All or nothing. That's got a fair amount of wheel speed. Okay. Well, what I'll do is I'll actually take this outside. We know it's only toy grade. No idea what the price of this is. And we shall see if it's any good. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I will be back shortly with a little running video on this. That is, I say it is, they call it a Hotdeer from Hongdi Toys. possible I might be able to tweak this up a bit. And these horrible spring shocks, they really are reminiscent of some of the early Tamayas. Well, we shall see if it's any good. Okay, that's all for just now. Be back later with a running video. Bye for now.